guys, it's a new week and I'm at the airport currently because your girl is about to go to Mexico. And I don't know if y'all can hear me right now, but I did my makeup in the airport. I literally did my makeup in the airport. But I hope you guys can hear me. Today has been a long day only because I missed my first flight. I missed the first flight at 2 o'clock, which caused me to have to catch the next flight at 6. So I will not be getting to Mexico till like 8-ish, going on 9-ish. But I'm an hour. My resort is an hour away, so I still will not be where I'm supposed to be until like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock at night. So my day kind of got canceled, so I gotta just chill today, I guess. Probably get something to eat when I get there. And so why I missed my flight is because I had went out last night.
At this time, we'd like to invite back the extra time down again, which we need extra time. Assistance, welcome aboard. Passenger with strollers and car seats. Active U.S. military with IDs, welcome aboard.
I had went out last night, and when I went out, I was out to like 7 in the morning, knowing I had a flight at 2.
Oh my God, this is Micaiah. Oh my God. Okay. GLE.
We not one of them. Don't play with us.
Driver just tried me talking about what's wrong with you, my friend? What's wrong with you, my friend? Look at her. First of all, they're hell. Not running from the camera, not to stop their angle. Look at this bitch. Her feet hurt.
So I tried to hurry up and rush and like finish packing and stuff, which caused me to really I was on time. I wasn't on time, like I was too on time, literally. Like if I would have left, when I left the house at 12:30, I was gonna get to the airport like 1:20, which still gave me 20 minutes to check in before, boarding time. But I left my passport at home, so I had to go all the way back home, get my passport, and then when I got home, I came back to the airport, and it was just like, we can't let you in. So I'm currently here, and yeah, I'm gonna just talk to y'all when I touch down or when I get on the plane. It's currently 6:14. But I'm gonna put my mask on and I'm gonna talk to y'all. Good morning, guys. It's the next morning. So I landed last night. I got to the resort like 11:30 at night. Y'all, I gotta tell y'all what happened. It was so much stuff that happened that I couldn't get in last night because there was like the reservation name wasn't right. So I was sitting outside the gate, like they was not playing. It was not trying to let me in the gate. But I got here and I filmed a little bit, but today's plan is like, and sorry about my voice, like I really hate this voice, but today's outfit is just this. You know, I showed y'all this already last week's vlog, but today we're supposed to go get lunch and then probably just explore the resort. Nothing too fancy. If my energy seemed down, I don't know, I'm gonna get back into the groove of stuff, but overall this place is so pretty. I'm so mad that I left my tripod because now I can't take pictures. But the plan for today is lunch, beach, water, and that's pretty much it. That's all. And drinks. So I'm gonna talk to you guys a little later. And yeah. I'm just sightseeing. You're the navigator. Do you know where the seafood restaurant is?
Restaurant seafood is on seaside.
Yeah, seaside.
Seaside is in the next boat.
Okay, so I'll walk around that way.
Yes, that way. Yes.
Thank you. Come on, kid. So I'm the navigator of the trip. He said walk around. It's a little hot out here. Where to go. We're lost right now. Here you go. So we're looking for the seafood place, guys. It's so beautiful out here. Like, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna talk to you guys when we find the place to eat at. So what's up, guys? We found the seafood place. It's called Seaside Grill, and we walked right past it, literally lost, because this place is so huge and it's so pretty. I'm trying to make sure that I film everything so y'all can like get a glimpse of, pretend y'all here with me. So I ordered a pina colada. I don't know if it's a virgin or not because he didn't ask me if I wanted to put anything in there, but I'll get to drinking later. Right now we're waiting on the food to come out. It's super hot, like really humid, but the wind right here feels really good. So I will just catch y'all up when my food get out. I'm gonna talk to y'all again. And yeah, this is my outfit. I don't know if I showed y'all. It's cute. Oh my God. So y'all, we just finished eating, barely. The food was like a 1 out of the 10, I say 5. No, 8. No, 7.5, 6.5. So now we're about to go find something else to eat. So yeah, come with me. What's up, guys? So I'm back in the room. It's so hot outside, so I decided to do a swimsuit change. We're gonna go to the pool. Hey, the room service lady keep coming back too. I told her we were gonna go out to the pool, so like in 10 minutes we could shut the door and she could clean up here. I need a favor too. Guys, so outfit change number 2, 3. Dang, I changed outfits 3 times today. But y'all, we're about to go to a swimming bar. Okay, so where we ate at over here, like a little farther away, is like another pool. It's so many pools. Oh, there it is, the swimming. So we're gonna do this right here. So it's a bar with liquor and pools, and they got a jacuzzi. So we're gonna find somewhere to sit, and then we're gonna enjoy this view and drink. We gotta find So I'm in the water, guys, and we're at the pool. What you forget? So yeah, it's a vibe. There's no light in this one. Be like, oh my god, what the fuck is that clock? So after 3 shots of tequila and a frozen pina colada with strawberries, we're on the beach, and it's so beautiful, guys. Look at this. That's everything. You might have to record me watching this. This water feels amazing. Oh my god, it feels so. What's up, guys? So I'm in the ocean. This is what's going on. I'm a little tipsy. But yeah. Okay. But yeah. I'm closing out this vlog for today, and I'm gonna talk to you guys when we go ATV riding tomorrow and rock and zip lining. So yeah, talk to you guys tomorrow. So today is Wednesday. Is today Wednesday? Yeah. Today is Wednesday, and today's plans are ATV rides, zip lining, breakfast, first breakfast, ATV ride, and zip lining, and all that good stuff. That's the plans for today, and then maybe a massage later today. Ooh. Y'all, so I got my scarf on because ATV rides, I didn't bring a scarf. I mean, I got tights on. I got tights on because I didn't bring a scarf for ATV rides, but I'm gonna go put on my lashes because I still want to take pictures. Y'all, I've been dropping non-stop fire content, so make sure y'all go to my Instagram page and like my pictures because they look so good. This place is so beautiful. Like, if y'all are in Tulum, or if you don't want to get an Airbnb because you know you're skeptical of like the hosts and stuff, I recommend you coming to Secrets Mall. It's like a vibe. Like, this resort is so beautiful. It's definitely it's a 9 out of 10 because the food here, we haven't ate everywhere, but the food that we have ate at is just been terrible. Like, I ain't even gonna lie. But other than that, it's been a good experience. I'm gonna show y'all how pretty it look in the morning. This is where I took my pictures at yesterday. Look how pretty it is. I'm gonna show you guys the whole thing. Hopefully I don't fall in. But the pool goes all the way around. Like, this is where I took my pictures at yesterday, but it's so beautiful. It goes all the way around like this. It's just a vibe. What's up, guys? So we ate breakfast this morning, and I had an omelet. I had green tea, y'all. So y'all hear my voice sound so much better. I think it's because I was hot as fuck last night. So everything is good. I look cute. I got on my outfit, and we're about to go ATV riding. I'm super excited. We're waiting on the driver to come get us now. And I don't know how far the ATVs are from here, but I think that's the shuttle right there. So we're gonna go do that, and then we're gonna go zip lining, and then we're going to go do all this fun zip lining. We might, oh yeah, massages too. So I'm gonna film all that for you guys. And today is the last day that we're here because I got in super late the first day. So yeah, we're gonna do that and just make today the best of it. I got more pictures to take, more content to post. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. So we're at the ATV rides. Look. So cool. Big body wheels. But no, we're with a group, so we're on our way to ride. It's so hot. The drive here was so long. No, I'm just playing. It was like bumpy, but it wasn't that long. And this is the fit. Got my little bandana, you know, giving gangsta. But no, it's so hot. It's like humid. I'm gonna take it off because it's so hot right now. But y'all probably can't hear me. But I'm gonna just talk to y'all when I get.
Who haven't signed yet? Who haven't signed yet? What's their name again? The machine is not going to be dying over and over. In case if you would like to partner up, you can let us know since now, so we can set you up in a double. So who's going on double today? All right. All right.
It's so little.
Okay, so the first one is a double. Please take that one, compadre.
So guys, we just left the ATV rides. You're looking at me. So guys, we just left the ATV rides. We're on our way back to the resort only because we gotta take a COVID test 24 hours before we are allowed to. Oh, they got their tripod. She got her phone on a whole tripod. Y'all, they said we could have our phones out. But on our way back to the resort, I see everybody with their phone now. And I'm mad because I could have took pictures. But I think they just say that so it won't be that many breaks. But we're on our way to the resort, and we have, yeah, like I was saying, we have to take COVID tests because in order for us to get into the US, we need to be COVID free. And this little package deal we had, we were supposed to do zip lining, ATV rides, we were supposed to go swimming in caves, all that, but we had to leave early, so I'm really upset. But it's cool because I'd rather be back home in my bed than going swimming in some caves. Maybe after I take a shower and change clothes and eat. Okay guys, so we just took the COVID test. We made it in time, thank God. We made it in time, but now we're about to go get our passports and bring it back to the place because we need it. I don't know why he need our passports, but this place is so nice. This is where we're gonna go to the spa in a few. And then look right here. It's a that's what we gotta do. But it's a lot of picture areas. It's so pretty here, like so pretty. But I'm gonna talk to you guys when I go to the spa, and I'm gonna show you this part right here. It's so nice. Okay, y'all, so we're here at the spa place. We got the COVID stuff out the way, so we're good to go. We back in the U.S. They're going to send us our certificate. It's a little hard. They're going to send us our certificate to let us know that we good. But this spa is so nice. I want to just show y'all a little bit of it, and I'm going to talk to y'all after the spa. So what's up, guys? So excuse my lash on this side. This is like rasped up, but we're about to check out, and it's like 9:30 in the morning. So we're gonna check out, and then we're gonna catch the ride back to the airport. So yeah. So yeah, I'm still sick from earlier this week. Y'all remember when I was like, I'm sick, so I'm still freaking sick. Can y'all believe that? Like, that shit is crazy. But yeah, we're gonna catch the ride back. We're waiting to check out, and it's so packed up here. Like, everyone's trying to check out at the same time. I didn't get to take a picture of my outfits, sadly, but you don't want to be doing too much, so I took a lot of pictures. I'm gonna post some pictures today, and then my vlog from last week is gonna go up today, and this vlog is gonna go up this week. So I'm just super excited to be back in the U.S., baby. They don't be playing over here. They be trying to make sure that we ain't trying to sneak in. We ain't got COVID. You know, if we got COVID, we gotta stay over here for 2 more weeks. Not yet. So I'm definitely gonna I'm definitely ready to be back. I'm ready to get some Popeyes. And I'm ready to eat regular food. And they staring at me. Yes, I said I want some Popeyes. Because I'm ready to eat regular food. This food has not been good. Like, it's been Mexican food. Like, I don't fuck around. Not even the good Mexican food. Not even the one you get from, like, not even the one you get from like quesadillas with queso sauce. No, nasty food. But yeah, it's so beautiful here. This is the lobby, y'all. So I'm going to talk to you guys when I get to the airport.